In this video, I want to show you guys how I made over $1,000 in a week from reposting content. I know that sounds pretty insane, but this is my TikTok account right here called Fly Juggler with over 290,000 followers. And don't worry, you can still do this even if you don't have a lot of followers. I'll be explaining exactly how many followers you need for this to work in a second. But basically, what I want you to notice is interesting is if I sort my videos by popular, you can see one of my most viral ones is this video right here called Cartoon Juggling with 12 million views. But what's really interesting is if you scroll down just a bit, you can see that this same exact video, Cartoon Juggling, and yes, this is basically the exact same thing, I reposted it and it got 1.9 million views. And these two videos are actually exactly the same. You can see this is the exact same video as this one. The only difference is to make it slightly different. I just added in some captions at the bottom here, so it's technically a different video. But yeah, this is basically the same exact video. And when it comes to how much money did it actually make, well, I don't have the exact data on that since that video was re-uploaded a while ago, but I'll show you on TikTok how much money you get paid per 1,000 views. If I go to Creator Rewards Program, you can see that I've actually already made $586 this month. And if I look at November, that was $2,000. And if I look at October, that was $3.4 thousand. And just looking at the month of November, this $2,000 was a combination between additional reward and standard reward, and it was based off of 3.8 million total qualified views. So if I made $2,000 off of 4 million views, basically, times 1,000, we can see that I made around 50 cents per 1,000 views that I got on TikTok. Which means that this video right here, which basically got 2 million views, was able to make me basically over $1,000. I think it may have even made a little bit more than that. So to finalize this video and show you how you can do the same and actually start earning money from this, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get all your content so you can repost it extremely easily. What I'd highly recommend using for this, it makes it really easy, is using something called repurpose.io. I'll leave the link to it in the description. It's genuinely the best tool that I've used for social media. You can just log in with Google. It's 100% free to start. And what you can do is connect all your various social media to the same place and have it automatically repost videos from that platform to every other platform. So in this case, if I wanted to actually just go ahead and repost a bunch of my old TikTok videos, what I could do is I can click on create another workflow right here and click on repurpose existing content. And I've already connected my TikTok accounts, but you might have to connect yours. But you can see I'll connect my Fly Juggler TikTok account both as a source and as a destination. And then I could just click create workflow. From here, all I would have to do is finalize the number of posts that I would want to do per day. And let's say I wanted to do 5 posts per day of my old content. I could just click enable automation. And as you can see, all these videos are auto-scheduled, and if I really wanted to optimize this, I could actually say, oh, well, I only want to repost content that was posted before a specific date. So let's say I want to just repost everything that I had made already since 2024. I could just go down to here and click December 31st, 2024, and now it'll only start reposting content that I made before December 2024. If I save that, you can see that it's now no longer posting videos that were after 2024 that I've already recorded, so in 2025. But if I go to the final page on here, since these videos were recorded before 2024, it actually auto-schedules these videos. And yeah, then you don't even have to worry about manually posting everything yourself. But you might think to yourself, well, what if I want to go through and just bring them to my Google Drive so I could kind of edit these videos? Well, they also allow you to do that and back up all of your videos. So you can just click here and click back up all of my content and go from TikTok, which is going to be my juggling account again, and then choose Google Drive as the destination. And I've shown this in previous videos, so I'm not going to create the workflow and show you how it saves to your Google Drive again, but it makes it really simple. And just to give you guys a quick cheat sheet on how monetization actually works across platforms, for TikTok, you just need 10,000 followers. And if you have 100,000 views, you can join. As long as your videos are over 1 minute long, you'll make around 50 cents per 1,000 views, as long as your videos are like original and they're not just taking someone else's stuff. If they are, you'll probably make way less money per 1,000 views that you get. On YouTube Shorts, you just need 10 million views in 90 days, which is low-key a lot. And then other platforms like Snapchat, Facebook, X, Instagram, all have different monetizations, which I'll be going over more in other videos since they're all kind of complicated. But in essence, I actually recommend you just post to every single one. That's how I've made a lot of money, both on TikTok and on YouTube, and on Snapchat, and soon to be Facebook. So you can set all of that up within Repurpose, which is really nice. And I've been using that to absolutely print recently. So I highly recommend this. And as always, our mission here is to help you guys grow on social media and make more money. And so if we delivered on that mission today, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video, and peace.